Hi guys, in this video you are going to see how to create this black color gradient in Adobe Premiere Pro without using any plugins. In fact, you can create any type of gradient. Just as a reference, I'm telling you the black gradient. I'll tell you exact steps you need to follow. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright, after creating the project, this is how the interface is going to look like. So you need to add one shape layer, guys. I'm using the rectangle. You can use any shape as you like, and drag a rectangle like this. Then double click on it so that the properties panel will be opened. If in case you are unable to see any of the tabs that I'm going to show you in this video, go to the window section. From here you enable it. Once you are in properties panel, go to the align and transform. Make sure it is aligned horizontally and vertically. Now if you want, you can increase the size as well for this rectangle directly from here so that there would be no quality loss. Simply under the align and transform, increase the scale. Let's say 130 or 120 also works good. 110, I'm making it as 115. Fine. So this is the first step. The second step is same again. Under the properties, select that shape layer, then click on the fill section so that this color picker will be opened. Here is the secret sauce. Click on it, and from here you can choose linear gradient or radial gradient. If I choose linear gradient, from here I select this color stop and change the color like this. Even for second one also it is like this. So I'm making it as black and this one completely white. The top one is for opacity, guys. If you click on it, you can increase or decrease the opacity. As you can see, it is changing live. Even you can see a midpoint here. This is for opacity midpoint. If you click any of the color stop bottom, you can see the slider bottom. So it is for color midpoint. Click on OK. And even if you want, you can change with the help of this pen tool. As you can see, if I hover the mouse to the point, the pen is getting highlighted. If I move like this so that I can create different shapes, different gradients. So I make it as like this. Even if you see closely at the center, this point is there. You can move like this to create even more gradients as you like. You can zoom out so that you get some more space here, and even you can increase it. This is complete black and this is like gradient thing. Once you're happy with that, make sure it is fit, and that's it. So if you want to change the colors, simply go to the properties panel, fill layer. Now you need to just change the colors from here, guys. Let's say I want red. I can change it to red. This color to maybe blue, maybe yellow. Yeah. So as you can see, this is also one color I created, and this is the previous one. That's it. This is how you can create black color gradient or any color gradient in Adobe Premiere Pro.